Hi, I'm very proud to showcase this beautiful apartment in Kolaba. This is a modern high-rise. It is a one flat per floor, and this is a 3,000 carpet apartment which can be made into 4 bedrooms. Currently, it is a 3 BHK plus a family room. Now, the main best part about this apartment is that it is a completely sea-facing apartment. Now, many a time the word sea-facing is misused in Mumbai. Many realtors they tell you sea view, and वहाँ दूर कोने में थोड़ा सा sea दिखता है. This is really a sea view apartment, 100% genuine. And I would request you have a look at the video and decide for yourself whether it is a sea view or not. So these are the views from the living room. So the living room is 3 sides open. You have sea views from all the sides. That's the view towards your Navy Nagar. That's the end of Bombay. So you look at right at the tip of Bombay where Bombay ends. Then this side is more towards your Kolaba, more towards your Nariman Point. So that's your Kolaba Causeway. That's Sassoon Dock. And in the background you can see the Taj Mahal Hotel. And of course you can see the RBI building, the Bombay Stock Exchange building. So all these heritage landmarks are clearly visible from this apartment. And this is like a guaranteed sea view because there are no plots adjoining to this building where any new development can be made. This here you have the kitchen. Just look at the view from the kitchen. So you get the flat the way it is. You get the entire modular kitchen. You get this island kitchen. Just see the view from the kitchen. And this here is your servant quarters. So this is the foyer area. This is one of the powder rooms. Then here you have one of your huge bedrooms. Just look at the size and the views of the bedroom. All day long you can just have a look at the sails, the ships coming in, going out. So the apartment comes with all these woodwork, and you get the ACs, the false ceilings done. This is the main entrance to the apartment. So obviously we started from the living room, but this is your private lobby. So since it is only a one flat per floor, this lobby is entirely up to your discretion the way you want to use it. Just look at the views from the lobby. Then we get into the apartment again. So this here is the foyer area inside the apartment. This can be used as a family room, as a common area, or can be converted into a makeshift guest bedroom as well. So you already have 3 proper bedrooms. This can be your 4th bedroom. This is another one of your palatial bedrooms. Have a look at the size, the views. So here you see, this is what you call Sone Pe Suhaga. So from the living room, you have the entire sea view. You have the Sassoon Docks. And from the back of the apartment, the bedrooms, you have the entire Cuff Parade and your Marine Drive. So you got sea views all around the apartment. Have a look at the bathroom, very spacious bathroom. Now last but not the least, this is your 3rd bedroom. Very massive size. You have a walk-in wardrobe over here. And you have a 3-side open bedroom. Here you have a 3-side open bedroom. You have complete views of the sea, the city, greenery. Amazing apartment, just amazing. That's your President Hotel in Cuff Parade. Right in front you can see the Cuff Parade metro which is going to start from here. That is the station. and that's your World Trade Center. This building is Durga Mata Towers. So thank you for sticking around with us. I hope you like this apartment. This is a limited edition apartment. This is the only apartment which is available in the building. And as you can see, it is a beautiful apartment with lovely sea views. So if in case you are interested, my name is Mehul Somani. I have been in the South Bombay real estate industry for the last 21 years. And I would be glad to help you search your dream home. So please do let us know what you thought of this apartment. And if in case you are interested in the inventory, please contact us. Thank you.